Turning your engine 41V14. Turning good. The front engines looks good, as you can see. Compressor without any damage, same as well like altimeter. And on this side everything's good. Starter without any damage, same as well like a gearbox. And on this side everything's good, you don't see any damage. Look as well on the engine's turbo, on good conditions. And on the top all connectors no broken, as you can see. On the bottom oil sump without any cracks on the cover. And turning your engine 41V14.